Hey guys, Omar here with ABC Austin Service Express, and we did something different today. We installed a mini split in an RV, so it worked out very well. Some of these RVs have the small AC unit that is up here and very uncomfortable. So they called us out. They wanted to get one, so we did it. And I mean, she can tell the difference already. Very, very happy customer. So right here behind me, you can see the indoor unit, which is right here. That's the indoor unit. And this is her RV. So we're gonna go outside. We're gonna go outside. And this is her RV. And this is the outdoor unit here. So she's got it for her RV. This is very sturdy. It won't move. We got a separate line that goes outside that. So call us for our AC heat and refrigeration needs. Also, if you need a mini split for an RV, we're 24/7. You can find us on the web at www.abcaustinacandheating.com. You can also call us 24 hours a day at 512-448-0532. 512-448-0532. Okay, happy customer. See you guys in the next video. All right, bye-bye.